Welcome everyone to another episode of the Journey Through Apostolic Successions.
CCC 882 says, the Pope, Bishop of Rome and Peter's successor, is the perpetual and visible source and foundation of the unity both of the bishops and of the whole company of the faithful. For the Roman Pontiff, by reason of his office as Vicar of Christ and as pastor of the entire Church, has full, supreme and universal power over the whole Church, a power which he can always exercise unhindered. So today we hear about our 109th Pope in Apostolic succession. Pope St Adrian III was the 109th Pope. He was elected to his position 5 months after Pope Marinus I's death. Some facts. There really isn't much that is known about Pope St Adrian's life before his consecration as the Bishop of Rome. It is assumed that Pope St Adrian worked his way through the papal ranks and was apparently liked enough by the people that he was voted into the position of Pope. His papacy may have begun on May 17, 884. His papacy ended on July 8, 885. His successor was Pope Stephen V. Contributions. So little is actually known about this Pope. It has been found that Pope St. Adrian was responsible for having helped the Roman people during a famine and did his best to keep them from war, which could explain his enormous popularity among the people. Also about Pope St. Adrian III is that he had an intense dislike for the corruption of the aristocracy and took great pains to rid the Roman system of said corruption. His death. Pope Hadrian III died on July 885 at St Caesarea sul Panaro, not long after embarking on a trip to Worms in modern Germany. He died July 8, 885 and was buried in the church of San Silvestro's Nontalo Abbey. He was canonized by Pope Leo XIII on 2nd of June 1891, and his feast day is celebrated on July 8th.
That's all for today. Thank you all for listening. Please stay tuned for our next episode. Please like, share and spread the word to everyone around you, for Christ and for the Church. God bless you all.